What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another LOSV Life of Steph Vlogs. In this video today, we're jumping right in with a clean with me. In this video, y'all, we are going to do a refrigerator clean out. I need to clean out my refrigerator. It is a hot mess, okay? I have all kind of stains and stuff all up in here, all on the door, all in here. The freezer needs to be cleaned out. I will show y'all an up close and personal video of how the refrigerator is a mess. It needs to be wiped out, but like I said, the freezer is not bad. It just needs to be, like, the bottom part needs to be wiped off. But the refrigerator, these shelves, I need to throw away some stuff that is just old in here. It's like some stains, like something been spilled, I don't know. That's dirty. Inside the drawers is probably dirty as heck. It's stuff all on glass. So yeah, so it's like everything needs to be stripped out, wiped down. The door, I need to just take everything off of the door and wipe down. Look at that, dirty. So y'all, we are about to go ahead and clean out. Like I said, the freezer is not too bad, thank God. And I need to organize this freezer because I have to fit the next Butcher Box package in here. And y'all, we still have some stuff from our last package from Butcher Box. We still have some chicken. We still have a steak. We still have a lot of steak, actually. Some ground beef. Yeah, we got like 5 pieces of steak, 2 packs of ground beef, this pack of bone-in chicken thighs, and I believe that is all we have from our last box of Butcher Box. And all of this stuff, I have a whole bunch of stuff all through there from Trader Joe's. So yeah, like I said, this ain't bad, but I'm definitely gonna take this stuff out so I can organize it for the next Butcher Box packet. I'm gonna wipe down this door. It's a mess. Okay, y'all, let's get going. I'm gonna vibe out to some music while I do this and play some good music for y'all too. So let's go ahead and get it popping. Let me sit y'all down so y'all can get a good view.
Tattoo right above your navel, your belly button's pierced too, just like I like it, girl. Come take a walk with me, you'll be impressed by the game that I kick to you. It's so thorough and real. Flowers will be bloom in the summertime. You're ready to be watered by this conversation. You're ready. All cause you shine like the sun. Let me be the one to enjoy you. Let's kick it, girl. So slow down. I just wanna get to know you. But don't turn around, cause that pretty round thing looks good to me. Slow down. Never seen anything so lovely. Now turn around and bless me with your beauty. Cutie, slow down. Looks good to me. Slow down. Never seen anything so lovely. So lovely. Now turn around and bless me with your beauty. Cutie. Oh, baby, you know by now that I won't like the sun. Let me be the one to enjoy you. Let's kick it, girl. Slow down. I just wanna get to know you. But don't turn around, 'cause that pretty round thing looks good to me. Slow down. Never seen anything so lovely. Now turn around and bless me with your beauty. Slow down. I just wanna get to know you, but don't turn around, 'cause that pretty round thing looks good to me. Slow down. Never seen anything so lovely. Now turn around and bless me with your beauty. I just wanna get to know you, but don't turn around, 'cause that pretty round thing looks good to me. Slow down, never seen anything so lovely.
I don't wanna see you coming, asking where I'm now.